bounce at the club, baby, make it.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy G, back again with another video. Thanks for watching another video here on N54 or more. Like I said, I was gonna do a quick little update video for NIPSEY when I do the kidney grills, and also when I put the decal on there on the windshield, since the other one got faded. But without any further ado, let's head to the garage and get it done. So as you can see, NIPSEY is in pretty bad shape right now. All the rain and stuff recently made it pretty dirty. You can see down here and all over here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash him up, then clear off the decal and the adhesive, and get ready to put on the new decal and put in the kidney grills. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, NIPSEY is clean enough. I guess I didn't do all the rims and everything, but cleaner now than before. It's about to rain outside, so brought it inside. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I assume this is gonna be quick. So first thing I'm gonna do is put the kidney grills in. If they are not fitting properly, then I'll probably just have to bend it like this and these pieces and make it fit better. But let's go ahead and snap these in real quick and see how they fit. Alright, that was a lot faster than I thought. I'm happy with that. Makes it for even shorter video. But grills are in, wiped them down with a little detailing spray. And now to remove the decal. Okay, moving the decal was pretty easy. Just had to get a razor, whatever. But as you can see, the letter stuff is still on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. Use some cleaning spray and maybe some goo off, but mostly likely just some window cleaner and alcohol. So let me do that now. Okay, all cleaned up. All I needed was some window cleaner. Didn't need to use alcohol. I'm still gonna use alcohol though to wipe down the surface so that the adhesive sticks better. But I do not have another set of hands, so I'm gonna have to do this the hard way. Let's do it. Alright, so that is it. NIPSEY is back on. NIPSEY Blue is back. Got a little bit of air bubbles in there. But overall, looking good. I'm going to Phoenix tomorrow, so I had to make sure he was as clean as possible. And you still need to get the front splitter, but that's about it. That is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching again. If you haven't already done so, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.